much.
Yeah.
Good morning. Jumbo. I want to first say thank you to the governor for welcoming me to Kisii County yesterday and today. And I want to say thank you to all of the healthcare workers here. You are the most important people in this whole system. Without you, no amount of money, no amount of drugs, no amount of anything will matter. And so I just want to say thank you to all the nurses, the doctors, the staff who work every day so hard to take care of so many patients. I understand there's 1,200 patients every day. It has to be one of the busiest hospitals. But a round of applause for all the healthcare workers and everything that you do. As many of you know, the United States and Kenya have had a 60-year partnership. We've been working together for 60 years, and that relationship is based on trust, it's based on deliverables, it's based on working together to make sure that we're doing everything we can to support you. And it was very nice of you to say sort of the big brother, younger brother. I like to think of big sister, but... But anyway, we're very proud of our relationship with the Kenyan government. We saw today a remarkable mother-child unit and how the staff is really helping the young mothers, the single mothers, to bring babies into the world healthy, happy, and teaching them how to take care of the babies. I know I have two boys who are now 40 and 37, but I remember how scary it was as a new mom. You know, you look at this child and you say, now what am I supposed to do? And so I really appreciate what we saw this morning. And then we obviously saw the HIV clinic, which is really a product of PEPFAR, which is President Bush's initiative to combat HIV and AIDS. And this facility is supported by the CDC, the Center for Disease Control, and it's remarkable what we have done together. And I wanted to acknowledge the young people who were here for the 00Z program that is started here in Kenya that has spread nationwide. So that's a tribute to Kenyan innovation. And obviously want to acknowledge again the young woman who spoke to us with such great confidence. And she asked me, what could I learn from you about being successful? And I said, you don't need any advice from me. You are well on your way to achieving great things. So thank you to all of those people. One of the things we learned about PEPFAR and HIV is the systems and the delivery network turned out to be as effective for COVID and tuberculosis and malaria as it has for HIV. So we've learned a lot about working with Kenya to not only combat HIV, but also combat the other diseases that are, really quite prevalent everywhere, and in some countries gaining in prevalence. So we want to keep up that excellent work. And I think the last thing I would say is we can achieve the goal of ending mother-to-child transmission of HIV by 2027. And I think we can actually, get HIV beyond an epidemic. So with all of your help, with your expertise and your dedication, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for what you do with us. Thank you for helping us be better. And we want to listen to you and understand how we can continue to improve. So thank you very much.